Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2018 Chevy Cruze Hatchback LTRS. For the month of May, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers the option between 16% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $500 on all 2018 Cruzes. This specific Cruze is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 1.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder engine and 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that it does come with our Bose audio system, jet black cloth seating. It does have a sunroof, heated seating, our Chevy MyLink radio, and even cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.